4-pack of solar-powered skeleton skull lights I was sent to review, so let's set them up and take a look. They are pretty much ready to go right out of the box. We've got 4 of these very lightweight hollow plastic skulls. This is your light topper. And then these are gonna sit on top of these clear stakes which have lights inside of them. The whole length of the stake, really fun. And then these are the LED lights at the top of the stakes that are gonna go inside of the skulls. So the skulls have nothing inside of them. They're completely hollow. The light is gonna shine through the skull. There is 1 solar panel and then they are all strung together and it's quite long. So if you wanna have these in one area that doesn't get enough sun and then kind of have this scooted over to a more sunny area, that's gonna be great. If this is allowed to charge up in the sun for at least 4 hours, you should get at least 8 hours of light at night. Your on-off button is on the bottom and here is the stake that is going to hold the solar panel. So that's just gonna clip right in there, boom. And then this is going to adjust and hold whatever position to be angled toward the sun. So that's really helpful. The skeleton stakes have the stake already on it. Of course, if you do this in like wet ground or something, it's gonna be easier. Just be careful if you have rocks and stuff like that because these are plastic, not iron or steel or anything. So be careful when you're installing these. Don't forget to take off the protective film. So cute in the daytime and at night. They're kind of fading between colors. They cycle through, fading into different colors. Just the skull changes colors. And then for the base, that stays the same. We've got green, red. This one's more of like a purple blue and that one's like more of a blue, but it's hard to tell with my lighting. Very, very cool. I love these guys. These will automatically turn on at dusk and then stay lit until the battery runs out and charge up again the next day. So easy, just leave them outside and they'll do their thing. So fun for Halloween, for Dia de los Muertos, for summer party or year round, honestly, if that's your vibe. Such a fun decoration and vibe. I absolutely love these and know that you will too.